CityNetMagazine.
This is Tom Hartman with CityNetMagazine.com. We're at the Salon de Séduction et l'amour, speaking to Dr. Laurie Betito. Thank you very much for taking a few minutes to talk to us.
My pleasure.
So you've spoken to people in all walks, and I can imagine that, you know, when someone wants to speak to their partner, to their significant partner, about something about their relationship, to open up their relationship a little bit more, it must be a little bit fearful. How do people broach that subject?
I think you're absolutely right. Because of that fear, what ends up happening is people wait a very long time before they seek help. They wait till it becomes unbearable. And then by the time they get to me, it's difficult because they've had years of resentment build up and years of this big elephant in the room. And so really my best advice is don't wait. Really, if there's a problem, it's really important to say, honey, I love you, but I think there's something that we should fix in our relationship, or I'm feeling like we need to address this, and how about we seek help with a third party, with someone who understands this and where we can talk about this openly and safely in a safe environment, because people are afraid, right? They're afraid of responses. They're afraid of how the partner's going to take it. They're afraid that they're going to think it's personal and all of that. And it isn't. Sometimes it's just a question of just discussing it, and it kind of just, it just brings it all kind of in perspective.
Talk about something that makes a lot of sense. I mean, I could already feel the gears turn into my head. Are there maybe one or two pieces of advice you would just recommend everybody just always keep in mind when they're dealing with their relationship?
Yeah, stop assuming you're not normal. Everybody thinks they're not normal. And that's a real problem, because 9 times out of 10, what they're describing to me is normal. So don't just assume it's not normal, but ask your questions. We all walk around thinking there's something seriously wrong with us. There isn't.
I can imagine just hearing that, there's just this wave of relief that comes over people.
Yeah. Oh, it's incredible.
Well, thank you very much for your time.
My pleasure, Tom. My pleasure.
This is Tom Hartman with CityNetMagazine.com. Thanks for watching.